In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get bank statement on Opay. So maybe you have been transacting on Opay, but there is one particular part which, of course, you want to get the history, or particular month you would like to get the transaction history or bank statement. So it's just transaction history and bank statement is still the same thing. So it just depends on when you download it now turn to bank statement. So all you just have to do, just log into your Opay account using your mobile app, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. You can still follow the same method. So if you look at the top right here, you can see transaction history. So click on transaction history, then it's gonna take you straight down to this page, as you can see right here. So this is the month of July on my own account. So if I navigate to June, for example, June, then I'm gonna click on confirm. Then you can see right here the transaction actually changed. So let's say I want to download transaction within just June, month of June. So I'm gonna click on download. You can see download at the top right here, and for all status right here, you can also select maybe you just want a successful transaction only, so it's gonna change. Then maybe you want to select a category from bank deposit, transfer to, you can see different options, mobile data or something like that. So you can select transfer to, for example. So you can see right here. So the next thing you want to do, just click on download. So once you click on download, then you can select last month, last 2 months, custom. So then you provide the email you actually want to download this statement to, then click on confirm. Then it will be sent to your email. You can see my own email right here. So that is how you can actually download or get transaction or bank statement on Opay.